Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of laundry detergents with the Rockin Green Laundry Detergent. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our reviews. Alright, let's get into it. The Rockin Green Laundry Detergent boasts a powerful plant-based formula designed to tackle even the toughest stains and odors, particularly those pesky ones that come from sweat and bacteria. But what sets this detergent apart? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about its ingredients. This detergent is all natural, vegan, and biodegradable, making it not only tough on stains but also gentle on the environment. Plus, it's free from bleach, dyes, optical brighteners, parabens, and SLES, making it safe for your family and our planet. Now, onto performance. The Rockin Green detergent is formulated with a special enzyme blend that breaks down stains and odors while preserving the integrity of your fabrics. Whether you're washing your favorite gym gear or delicate baby clothes, this detergent has you covered. And the best part? It's safe for sensitive skin. With no harsh chemicals or fragrances, this detergent is perfect for those with allergies or skin sensitivities. But wait, there's more. The Rockin Green Laundry Detergent comes in an extra concentrated formula, meaning you only need a tablespoon per load. That's right, a little goes a long way with this stuff, saving you both time and money in the long run. So, whether you're battling stubborn stains, looking to extend the life of your activewear, or simply want a greener laundry solution, Rockin Green has you covered. It's time to rock your laundry routine with Rockin Green Laundry Detergent. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts on the Rockin Green Laundry Detergent, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Bye for now.